Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's talk about auto increment in WebTechDB database. So let's create a table. So create table. Let's say I want to create a student table. Okay, and I'm going to set here some columns. So first column, let's say student underscore ID, and the ID type, let's say integer, and this is primary key. So I will say primary space key, and here if I say auto increment auto underscore auto increment, okay, if I say like this, then it will be actually automatically incremented, so we don't have to give here any value. Okay, so you just have to mention that the column is as primary key. If you want to use auto increment, you have to use the column as primary key. Okay, you have to set the constant as primary key to actually make it auto increment. Okay, so next let's say student name varchar 255. All right, let's execute it, and now let's say I want to select all. So select all from the table, and that is student. Okay, maybe student, right? Okay, and here you can see we have student ID, student name. Now let's say I want to insert row. Okay, so I will say insert into the table name is student, say all the column. Okay, so actually I'm going to add only student name. Okay, student underscore name. I want to set values only the name. The name, let's say Yamin, and here I'm going to give semicolon. If I execute it, now you can see the ID is 1, and here you can see I haven't mentioned the column name and I haven't set any value. Still we have ID 1. Why? Because of auto increment. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.